Hi YouTube. This is really about weather, basically. Yesterday I got a text message from a friend saying that a lightning strike had hit the Victoria Bridge in a snowstorm. Now I instantly went, what? In a snowstorm? You know, so fucking rare. I've never really heard of it. So I'm like, positive, negative ions, hot air rising. I said, well, maybe at the hot air and the low pressure colliding when they meet, that you could have sparked a thunderstorm, but not in the snow. Yeah, no one's questioned it. So I thought to myself, well, okay, watch the telly, and there's this clip, this Essex guy talking to his missus. So I know it was unexpected to get snow like this, and then there's this clap of thunder and lightning, and he goes, oh, that was quite unexpected as well, and I actually was like that. Huh? Don't make any sense. So I've questioned people at work, the sheep, and they've all gone, oh yeah, I don't know. I said, well, you know, basic physics tells you. So I've decided, right, to query snowstorms, right? So I've queried this, right? Thunder snow. Thunder snow is a winter thunderstorm, or a thunderstorm is a rare thunderstorm when snow falling as a primary precipitation instead of rain. It commonly falls in the regions of strong upward motion where the cold sector of extratropical cyclones between autumn and spring, where surface temperatures are more likely to be near below freezing. Variants exist such as thunder sleet, where the precipitation consists of sleet or ice. Well, we're not in a tropical location. Quite clearly last week the government was spraying chemicals up in the sky 7 days a week. And then, this is the thing that's thrown me, right, because Wikipedia is owned by Illuminati. Okay, let's get this straight. I then click on the picture that someone's put here. This is the picture of how it happens because of the moist air that you see there. Right, this is the fucking interesting thing, because I thought, it's a bit weird. Come down the bottom here. Can you see the date that picture was uploaded? And here, information, a diagram I made after I saw a freak thunderstorm in the plains. Austin TX. Uploaded on the 31st of the 1st, 09. Someone in America has uploaded that, right? Oh, conveniently 2 days before we get massive snow and thunderstorms in snow. That is one of the most rarest things that ever exists. And in England, please, people, you know, wake up. What, you know, why aren't people asking questions? It doesn't make any sense, right? Bedford, where I live in a valley. We're lucky if we get that much snow, and currently we've had that much snow, which is normal. If any more comes down, I don't know. But I'm now going to show you clips of me in the snow, because I went into Bedford Town Centre and I videoed some of the town, and there's this old building that I videoed some of the stuff on it to see if there's any Illuminati symbolism, so just keep your eyes open. But yeah, find that quite odd actually, considering Wikipedia are always the ones who sort of like make everyone seem as if like we're all idiots or whatever else. But why would you upload a picture of something that's rare 2 days before it happened if you didn't? Because someone's going to ask the question, oh, thunderstorm in the what's that all about? So you're going to query it on the internet. Well, it'd make more sense for the information to be there before the event happens. Otherwise, how could you query it? I've never heard of it before in my life. People in other countries, right? Thunder and lightning in snow. Heavy snow. Please tell me if you've had that before, because I'm just interested now. It's a phenomenon I don't know about, and I just think they're trying to pull the wool over our eyes here, because, especially when I scrolled down the bottom and I saw this diagram I made after a big snow, to Austin, Texas, on the 30th of the 1st, 09. I'm sorry, Wikipedia, you're full of shit. Oh, you're not in it. Do you wanna be in it? Hello. You'll be on YouTube.
Oh.
Hello, YouTube.
Hello.
That building there you might find quite interesting with the pillars. That's, I can't remember what that's called. What is that? There.
Have a good day, and I'll speak to you later. Night.
Yeah, okay, mate. I'll text you when I finish work and we'll play it from there. I'll phone Sal and find out what it's like in Northampton. Because if it's closed officially. It's currently 9:30 and no one's in town.
Got my camera in my bag.
Oh, I'm a YouTube person.
Oh,
I'm always making videos.
Yeah.
On my lunch break, I thought, what I'll make a... Let's examine this building. What the hell is that?